When you look up at the sky, you're actually looking at the Earth's atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is a blanket of gases that surround the planet. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere, but clouds are found in the troposphere layer, the layer closest to the Earth's surface. The troposphere, the layer of the atmosphere where clouds are found, is broken into 3 layers: the low level, the mid-level, and the high level. Each of these levels have their own different types of clouds. There are many different kinds of clouds, and each cloud tells us something about the weather. Cumulus clouds are the big fluffy white clouds that you learned to draw when you were little. They are found in the low-level layer of the troposphere. You can tell that they're cumulus clouds because they are bright and fluffy on the top and they are flat and dark on the bottom. Cumulus clouds tell us that the weather is clear and sunny. Stratus clouds appear as one big gray layer of cloud. They are found in the low-level layer of the troposphere. They appear low in the sky and they look almost like gray fog. Stratus clouds tell us that the weather is dreary and overcast, and there may also be mist or a drizzle of rain. Stratocumulus clouds can be easily confused with cumulus clouds. However, stratocumulus clouds look like you took a cumulus cloud and spread it across the sky with a butter knife. They are found in the low-level layer of the troposphere. They are low in the sky and puffy, and they can be white or grayish. They're usually more gray than cumulus clouds. They appear in patches, and you can see blue sky in between them. When you look at them from underneath, they may remind you of dark honeycombs. Stratocumulus clouds tell us that the weather is dry and that there is not a big difference between day and night temperature. NIMBOSTRATUS clouds are the classic rain cloud. They're thick enough to completely block out the sun. They cover the sky in a dark gray layer. NIMBOSTRATUS clouds tell us that steady rain or snow is falling over a widespread area. ALTOCUMULUS clouds might remind you of sheeple or fish scales. They are found in the mid-level layer of the troposphere. They appear in white or gray patches that dot the sky, and they sometimes line up so that they are parallel to one another. If you put your thumb up to the sky, you may notice that each patch of cloud is about the same size as your thumb. ALTOCUMULUS clouds tell us that it is a warm and humid morning. They sometimes tell us that a thunderstorm or cold temperatures are coming later in the day. ALTOSTRATUS clouds may remind you of NIMBOSTRATUS clouds. But even though these clouds cover the sky, like NIMBOSTRATUS clouds do, you can still see the sun dimly lit behind them. The sun won't be able to cast shadows on the ground, but can be seen as a circle of light behind the clouds. They are found in the mid-level layer of the troposphere. They appear as gray or bluish-gray sheets of cloud, and they partially or completely cover the sky. ALTOSTRATUS clouds tell us that cold air masses are overtaking warm air masses. If you see cumulus clouds too, these clouds are telling us that there is a cold air mass. Most clouds are made up of water droplets. However, cirrus clouds are actually made of tiny ice crystals. This is because these clouds appear above 20,000 feet. At this height, the temperature and the amount of water droplets in the air are low. They are found in the high-level layer of the troposphere. They appear in thin, wispy strands, and they streak across the sky. Cirrus clouds tell us that the weather is fair, but that there may be a large-scale storm coming. CIRROCUMULUS clouds are also made up of ice crystals, and they are very rare. They are sometimes confused with ALTOCUMULUS and STRATOCUMULUS clouds, but each individual patch of CIRROCUMULUS cloud, or a cloudlet, is much smaller. They are found in the high-level layer of the troposphere. They appear in small white patches of clouds, and they are usually arranged in rows and flow at high altitudes, or heights. CIRROCUMULUS clouds don't appear for very long, but they do tell us that the weather is cold and fair. CIRROSTRATUS clouds are one of the easiest clouds to spot because they create a ring of light around the sun or moon. This ring is caused by the light of the sun or moon reflecting on the ice crystals in the clouds. They are found in the high-level layer of the troposphere. They are transparent whitish clouds, and they nearly cover the entire sky. CIRROSTRATUS clouds tell us that there is a large amount of moisture in the upper atmosphere. They also tell us that warm air masses are coming. CUMULONIMBUS clouds are thunderstorm clouds, and they are very special. They are the only type of cloud to reach the low, mid, and high layers of the troposphere. They look like cumulus clouds, but grow tall with large upper bulges that look like cauliflower. The bottoms of these clouds are hazy and dark. Cumulonimbus clouds tell us that a thunderstorm or severe weather is approaching. Thunderstorms are different than rainstorms because they have short, heavy periods of rain and/or hail, and they have thunder and lightning.